Recording this.
Okay.
We got some sodas that's stuck. We're gonna see if our investment can fix this problem.
Anything, y'all. Please.
All right, so
come up.
All right, so now you gotta choose the soda.
Which one you want to come out?
Go ahead. Let's try to get another Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Yeah.
Okay, B3. I'm going to B3. B3.
All right, voila. There we go. Damn, we got 2 sodas. And to try to get the third one.
To get the tail one out.
It missed. Is it gonna come over? Damn, will we get 2 sodas? It's just damn.
It tried to pick that up. I told you.
So now it's coming over.
I told you to try to pick that up. So it's always trying it.
So now what? It just gave up. It just gave up. Damn.